Hey everyone, Ken McKee here with Canopy Mortgage. Hey, great news! Just today, this is the November 30th, last day of November 2021. Federal Housing Finance Agency, I believe, or administration, or it'll be in the notes below. Who control Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac just announced the 2022 limits for conforming loans. These are loans sold to Fannie or Freddie on or after January 1st, 2022. Check it out. So the current loan limit right now in 2021 is $548,250. That's the max you can do nationwide as a conforming limit. More about high balance loans in a second. But that limit went from $548,250, I'm going to read it, to $647,200, so almost $99,000 more than what it is now, which is a huge, huge benefit to a lot of buyers who are struggling to meet guidelines or requirements of jumbo loans. So you can now buy a home for $667,000 with only 3% down, no reserves. You don't have to have, all the crazy 43% debt to income you can do on a jumbo loan. A lot of other requirements that jumbo loans require. You can really stretch that limit. So a lot of your buyers who maybe make a lot of money but didn't have the amount of money to bring to the table, or they want to keep their current home and buy a new home as an owner occupied, they don't want to sell it, they want to keep making that money on it, they can just put down 3%. So it's just huge. Before, they may have had to sell it, have reserves, put 20% down to get into that $600 and something thousand dollars, $700,000 loan or purchase price. Okay, so in many areas in California and across the nation, we are what are called high cost areas. So we have what are called high balance conforming limits. Currently in the Sacramento area, which is where I am, it's called the Sacramento-Roseville MSA. We have a max conforming limit of $598 instead of the $548,250. Well, $598,000. This year, in 2021, we are bumping up to $675,050. So it's going up by $77,000, which is huge. So other areas around the area, I'm going to read these off because I don't know by heart. They're brand new today. Sonoma County, $764,750. Napa County, $897,000. The whole San Francisco Bay Area, which is like Marin all the way down to Santa Cruz, is $970,000, $800,000. So almost $1 million they can have a loan and not have to have any reserves and do 3% down. Nuts. And then LA County, Orange County, $970,000, $800,000. San Diego's different. Every single county is different. So just check it. Don't just think that these are good for any county. If you have any questions, give me a call, 916-871-7578. But this is a great opportunity to reach out to people, your clients you've been working with that maybe wanted to buy a little higher, more expensive house, but they didn't have the 20% down, or they couldn't meet sometimes up to 18 months of reserve requirements, or low debt to income of like maybe 43%, or the other restrictive guidelines that come along with jumbo loans. Reach out to them and let them know these limits have gone up and a lot, like almost $99,000. Man, this is the time to re-engage with your clients, give them some great news and see if they can get back in the fight and get their home this year. If you have any questions, or if you need a really great loan officer to work with, I'm your guy, 916-871-7578. Take care. Congrats. See ya.